Looking for kitchen design ideas that combine aesthetics and performance? Whether you're renovating a kitchen, exploring small kitchen design ideas, or creating a contemporary open space, surfaces play a key role. In this video, we'll guide you through minimalist inspiration, material choices, and design solutions for a modern, functional kitchen. Minimalist kitchen design isn't about having less. It's about making every element count. Neutral colors, continuous surfaces, and integrated volumes help create an elegant, essential atmosphere. In kitchen design, materials define both look and functionality. Atlas Plan large format porcelain tiles are perfect for countertops, backsplashes, and floors. They're hygienic, easy to clean, and resistant to heat, stains, and scratches. A practical and elegant choice for any kitchen. Countertops are one of the most used elements in the kitchen and one of the most visible. In the kitchen, countertops are more than just a surface. They define the overall style. Atlas Concord slabs combine aesthetics and performance, available in refined stone, concrete, or marble looks. The 12mm thickness is perfect for modern kitchens, offering elegant lines and seamless integration with walls and backsplashes. In small kitchens, surfaces help define space and enhance brightness. Choose light colors and reflective finishes to create a sense of openness. And for the floor, coordinating the material with adjacent areas helps maintain visual flow, a trick that works even in open concept kitchen and living room layouts. A modern kitchen design blends elegance and practicality. From minimalist to modern kitchen ideas, the key is consistency in materials and layout. Start with the right materials, resistant, coordinated, and expressive. Then think about composition, continuous surfaces, minimal lines, and smart transitions. Make your kitchen not just a space to cook, but a space to live. Explore more home kitchen design ideas and surfaces at atlasconcord.com. From minimalist kitchens to open spaces, we help you create environments that reflect your style and simplify everyday life. Subscribe to the channel and get inspired by our latest collection.